Hello, Jimmy Good here, tasting wine on camera. The wine in question today is wine that I'm quite interested to taste because it's the first time I've tried this bottled. It's a collaboration wine, Daqui from Cortes de Cima, a collaboration wine that I was involved with making last year. And the idea behind this wine was to make a lighter style red wine. It's from Trincadeira and Aragonez from the Alentejo, from Vidigueira. And the idea was to take the wine and foot tread it quite hard for a couple of hours in bins, and then leave it overnight and then press it the next day. So a red wine, but not fermented on the skins, just extracting stuff from the skins in the aqueous phase. And it was a bit of a gamble. Then the pressed wine went into a talha, which is a large old clay amphora, and had no idea what color it would come out as. I've tasted it a couple of times, samples, and fortunately it did pick up a reasonable amount of color, because color is very unstable, especially without the tannins from the skins to fix it. So it was just a total gamble. And so let's see what the final wine is like. As you'll see, it's really nicely packaged in a litre bottle with a crown cap, and there's the information on the back, Nat Cool. So it's a pretty natural wine, and it's part of the Nat Cool series. So, moment of truth. The colour of that. Very pale in colour. So this is not what you'd expect from a Trincadeira Aragonez blend from the Alentejo. Lovely floral fruity nose, strawberries, red cherries, some dried herbs. It's sweetly aromatic. And palate, it's just light, supple, super juicy, smashable, with a lovely poise to it. Really pure fruit flavors. It's a tiny little bit of clay, stony sort of character, but I don't think that's from the talha. I think it's just a slightly savoury element to the wine. It's look, I'm a little biased because I was involved in this, but I'm pleased to have my name associated with this. I think it's a cracking wine. It's just really so elegant, natural, fine, and it's a kind of a relief as well. We didn't screw up too badly, but yeah, there you go. Daqui.